Why are there not more people talking about this amazing AI tool in Filmora? A lot of people know Filmora as a video editor, but not for the AI features, and you are all missing out. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you how I created the voice I used in this video inside of Filmora 13, and how you can also use it to start your very own faceless YouTube channel. If you don't have Filmora installed yet, click the link in the description to get it now and use my coupon code, Itsgodwin, to get 20% off your order. To create your AI voice, open up the Filmora software and create a new project. Click on the T icon on the timeline and click on the quick text option. A text box will appear on your timeline. Copy and paste in your script or text that you want to convert to speech. Gonna paste the intro text I used for this video. When you are done, right-click on the text box and click on the text-to-speech option. A new tab or window will pop up. Here you have 32 languages and accents to pick from. You have both American and British English, German, Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese, Japanese, Chinese, etc. For this video, I'm going with US English. You can also pick the voice style you want, like narration, news, ads, social media, and education. For this video, I'm going to pick the social media voice style and pick Aaron as my voice actor, and I'm going to leave the parameters settings as it is and click on OK to start processing the voiceover. This process might take anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute, depending on the length of your script. Once it's done processing, you will see a new audio track on our timeline. Let's click on the play button to preview our voiceover. Why are there not more people talking about this amazing AI tool in Filmora? A lot of people know Filmora as a video editor, but not for the AI features, and you are all missing out. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you how I created the voice I used in this video inside of Filmora 13 and how you can also use it to start your very own faceless YouTube channel. If you want to try other voices, follow the same process I showed you in this video. If you like the voiceover, click on the export button. On the export page, type in your file name, choose your file location, and choose MP3 as your file format and click on export to save your file to your computer. So guys, that is pretty much everything on how to convert your text to speech using AI in Filmora 13. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more educative videos.